Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today is a really big day for me because I have been so excited to do this specific makeup look for so long now. You know, free will is really a crazy thing, especially when you're a makeup artist like myself, because I really woke up one day and thought, I want to turn myself into none other than handsome Squidward. I want to feel that handsome, you know? Let's turn myself into handsome Squidward. This is gonna be so good. Step 1, bald cap. I don't know if this is extremely niche, but my entire For You page is those ballroom dancer hairstyles. Please tell me you guys have seen them. Whenever I watch these videos, I am seated like I am an iPad baby just entranced watching the whole entire thing. I have never seen so much hair gel and hairspray in my entire life, and oddly enough, like I want to experience that. Make sure to get those broken ass baby hairs. I literally went brunette because my hair was just getting fried off from bleach. Guess we're gonna test the theory of do blondes really have more fun. I fall into a deep depression just because I'm brunette. I'm just kidding. I like it. I'm enjoying it so far. I don't want the brunette community to get upset about that. I don't know. Hey, so I totally lied. I guess we're gonna do the brow prosthetic first because the bald cap has to kind of like overlap it. You'll see. Using our Pros Aid. This is like eyelash glue, but on steroids. This is like the Gorilla Glue of the SFX cosmetics beauty industry. I like to kind of trace the outline with the Pros Aid so I can get that like general shape of the glue for it to start getting tacky. And then we're gonna take it off. See how it has that outline already? We're gonna let this and this get tacky. Ah, wait, holy shit, I forgot to glue down my brows. Oh god, oh god, oh god. I wanna do this before the Pros Aid starts to dry down. Can you guys hear my neighbors doing full-on home renovations right now? Like, can you finish your house another time? I'm turning myself into handsome Squidward. This is much more important. Yo, I can't even lie. I hate applying prosthetics. It always takes forever. This one was already a little bit wonky because these were not supposed to be falling off, so it will make the removal even harder. Katie, stop being negative. We're having fun. This is fun. It is so unfortunate that one of the few ways to melt the edges of a prosthetic is acetone. Like the really toxic shit that you use to remove hard nail lacquer. Yeah, that stuff. Pure acetone. Does it burn my skin? Absolutely. Is it probably so harmful for me in the long term? Absolutely. This is the commitment that I'm willing to devote to you guys. Yes, we have a bottle of our finest tonight. This originates from Sally Beauty Supply. It's a nice blend from 2023. Why did I do that? I could have not smelled it for the bit, but I really did. That sniff alone just fried like 10 brain cells at the very least. Q-tip in the acetone. Like I said, these edges aren't supposed to be falling off. It's nice because you're usually able to pull them really taut so you can melt away the edges. But instead, I'm just gonna take this little tab and grab it and roll my Q-tip on it. See how it's melting? Can you see that? My eyes are also like half blocked right now. Like I can't even see if it's doing anything truly, honestly. So far, it's kind of looking like shit, but it's okay. It's all right, everybody. Let's keep calm. Let's keep calm and carry on. See, now all these edges we can go ahead and take off. It looks really fucking rough, but I swear it's not my fault. The prosthetic came in all wonky. I'm gonna smooth it out. Give me a sec.
Much later.
Which one is my jawbone and which one is my cheekbone? Oh yeah, that's for sure a cheek. Now let's just do this grueling entire process all over again. Woo!
20 minutes later.
So this is the point that I'm realizing that this prosthetic kind of looks like shit, so I'm just blending the edges with liquid latex and just like saying a prayer that this area will look like less oatmeal-y, I guess you could say. The fumes are starting to get to me. Let me get a palette cleanser.
A few moments later.
Ugh. Recharge, baby. Truly a girl dinner. Okay, our jawline. This tutorial might go downhill really quickly because I don't know if this is even gonna fit on my jaw. I mean, we have to try.
1 hour later.
Oh my god, I look like Zac Efron or Liam Payne after they got all that facial reconstruction surgery. Wait, didn't Liam die? Am I like not allowed to talk about his filler at all now that he's dead? You know what? He got filler. We're just, it happened. Why do I look so scary? I look like I just came out of Beverly Hills. Like, take away the forehead and I look like a UK baddie. Oh my god, I almost forgot about our butt chin. Oh, this is gonna tie it all together. I knew it was lacking structure. I know you guys are just looking through the screen, you're not thinking much about it, but I've been at this for like well over an hour. We haven't even started the painting. This may be the best look I've ever done though, so it'll be well worth it. Cheek filler, jaw filler, Botox. All we're missing is some lip filler. They do have lip prosthetics, but I was not about to do that. I just knew that would be so uncomfortable. And like, mine are juicy naturally. Oh, we got the maximum plump lip injections lip gloss. This shit burns, let me tell you. I want my lips to look like the Coke Destroyers, you know? Okay, it only took us 10 years, but we're finally circling back to the bald cap. Oh, my lips burn. It's just like a big condom for your head, basically. I need to figure out how I'm gonna like create volume on the side of my head. Getting my fat head into this is actually kind of gonna be a nightmare. Get in there. Fuck yeah. We're in. I'm just straight up gonna use tissue paper to stuff the side of my head. Give it some volume. My lips like sugar, my lips like sugar. Just gonna get you spread. Is that looking even? I told my roommate, do not come in here unless you want to like actually be genuinely startled. I can't wait to FaceTime my boyfriend later looking like this. He's gonna be like, God, I've never been so attracted to you before. I don't think I've ever had this much prosthetics on my face ever. Locking in those edges. Cannot see a single thing. Little claustrophobic, everything's fine. Just gonna snippy snip. Oh, hey, there you are. And once again, melting off the edges. Holy shit, that took forever! But I'm feeling extremely handsome right now. Let's get to painting. I have to get the perfect color match to him. This feels correct. Oh, that is so Squidward. Okay. Speaking of handsome Squidward, do y'all remember Squilliam?
Oh no, he's hot!
Squilliam. I haven't been practicing my Squidward voice enough. It has to be perfect by the end of this video. Right now, my confidence level is at like an 8 or 9. Prosthetics laid pretty okay. The paint color is perfect. Bro, I am literally Squidward right now. On a scale of 1 to handsome, I'm feeling so beyond hot and sexy right now, like you wouldn't even believe. Ooh. We're just gonna add a little bit of dimension because I still want to look like a cartoon, you know? We're just gonna not talk about all the texture that's on my face from the prosthetics. I wish they looked a lot smoother. You can't win them all, you know? I can't tell if my lips stopped tingling or they're just numb at this point, but more maximum plump. Oh yeah. Oh my god, I forgot to do eye drops. I need to do all the like black cartoony lines to tie it all together. Oh my god, this already looks so good. I knew this would bring it together. I just knew it. Oh, you got, I truly can't believe it. I can't believe that I pulled this off. Shade my butt chin a little more. Get all of there in the crack. I cannot forget the Adam's apple because I'm a man today. Oh, no, no, no. I thought that this was the move. This was absolutely not the move. This nose just ruined it. Oh, shit. Why did I do that? Stupid. I'm a stupid idiot is what I am. Black is really hard to take off. It's just going everywhere. If it looks patchy, we're just not gonna talk about it. It's also been like 4 hours, so cut me some slack, thank you. Oh, handsome. I am such a hunky man right now, wow. I cannot stop singing the Smile 2 soundtrack. Like, I know it was a fake pop star and all, but like, I'm obsessed with her. Ashley O could never. Our lips are looking so plump and juicy. Low-key, my natural lip color is kind of perfect for this, but I want to take it like a shade lighter. MAC Creme Cup is the perfect match. Overdraw them a little bit. I love when random people ask me what I do for a living because I always answer with makeup artists, but like, they would have never guessed that this is the that I do. I hope I'm making my mom proud. Fill in my waterline. I'm literally Squidward. Holy shit.
SpongeBob.
I can't believe it. I'm so handsome. Okay, you guys, time for an outfit change. We have two options. Let's see what they're giving. First things first, this is a pretty good option. We got the V-neck, the short sleeve. What is this? Why did I buy this? Oh, this is sexy. This one is just like way too accurate. I feel like I have to. I don't even think you guys are ready for this outfit reveal. Hot and sexy warning, please have a change of panties on hand. Who is this diva right here? I can't believe it. At this point, I have nothing to say. I can't believe I pulled this off this well. This also made me realize that I need to move down my chest hair. Didn't really think that one through. Everything's fixable. It's makeup, baby. You ain't ever seen a squid so sexy. I definitely need to paint my arms. Hold on. Just to give the full fantasy. I couldn't care less if this is splotchy as hell, because let me remind you, 5 hours. I've been at it for 5 hours. And I'm finally done. Let me give you one more strut. We have the full fantasy going on right now. I need to FaceTime my boyfriend. Why am I so nervous?
No. That's f***ing horrifying. Oh my god, Katie. Katie. No.
How do I look?
Oh my god. Oh my god. That's f***ing crazy.
Do I look good?
Yeah.
Do you like the chin?
What the f***?
Look.
Got the whole fit on and everything.
Fuck yeah, I do.
Dude, don't slam your face into a door.
I could only get handsomer from here.
Babe, you have so much on your face.
I do, and it feels really uncomfortable.
Oh my god, holy f***. This is so weird. You're not even like a human being. Like, what the f*** is going on?
I'm glad you like it.
That's why you wanted to call me?
Yeah, I wanted you to see it.
You didn't have a question.
I know, I just wanted I couldn't tell you.
Yeah.
It had to be a surprise. I couldn't just tell you, hey, I'm handsome Squidward, by the way. It had to be a surprise, babe.
That was horrifying.
That was the whole point.
Looking real handsome, butt chin and all.
Honestly, the most handsome I've ever felt in my life.
That's so great. That's so wonderful. I can't wait for you to take this off and I never have to see this again.
Me too.
This is really kind of horrifying. It's so freaky. I'm not even talking to my girlfriend right now. This is a different person.
I know.
Oh, God. The longer I stare, the worse it gets. All right. I'll leave you to it.
Love you so much, babe.
Love you more, baby. That's crazy.
SpongeBob, change me back. I really gotta work on that voice. That was awful. Well, thank you again for joining me on this journey.